Welcome to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook an egg in 2 minutes. It's breakfast time. Haven't even gotten ready yet, but you need to eat something. You don't feel like bringing out the pan and doing the whole stove make a mess thing. Microwave. It's the easiest way to do it. First thing you have to understand is everything that is a recipe that involves the microwave, they recommend a 750 watt microwave. That's what I have, and I use it because I do this cooking. Open the door on your microwave, read the label, and see. If you have a stronger microwave, you may need to adjust your cooking time down so that you don't overcook this. So easy. All you do is you just take some butter, use as much as you want, put it inside. I may have put a little bit too much in there, but you can always scrape some out if you want. I've never thought too much butter was a problem. It's like donuts. Too much donuts or cookies are never bad. Now we just take some eggs. When you cook an egg, don't do it on an edge. Your chances of getting a shell in it are very probable. You always want to crack an egg on a flat surface. I could do it here. I could do it in the bowl. This is my scrap bowl. So I'm just going to crack it in here so that I get a hole where I can put my thumb in. Then it cracks very easily. Okay? No shells. I did well. Okay? Let's try it again. A little harder this time. I also hit it on the sink, on the center partition of the sink, right where the faucet runs down. That way I can squirt some soap in there and rinse and clean it off. But I have my dent where I can put my thumb in. Put my thumb in the egg. There you go. Now there also is a trick that if you get a shell in your egg and you want to scoop it out just like this, and then the shell sticks to a shell. Then add pepper to your egg. Don't salt it now. Salt at the end because it tends to dry out the egg a little bit. So I put in my pepper. Then all I have to do is whip it up. Whipping it is important, makes it fluffy. Okay, whip that up really, really, really good. We move this out of the way a second. I'm going to grab some garlic out of the refrigerator and give you a little additional treat. But before I forget, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Click on the subscribe button right now, hit the bell, and I'll put the recipe on our blogspot.com website. I grabbed out of the refrigerator this squeezed garlic. This is so good. All you do is you put a little bit in here. A little hard because it's been in the refrigerator. A little bit is good, a lot is better. Okay, whip it up a little more. Okay, now we're going to put it in the microwave and it'll be done in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Egg is all done. Make sure you're using a glove of some sort or a towel. Pull out your egg. This is what it's going to look like. I shake it a little bit. I put it on the plate. There you go. There's your egg. 2 minutes. Thanks for watching.